Hey, what's up guys? We are here at the grand opening of the Braydon community by Lennar. Now in this video, we are going to be touring their largest floor plan. It's called the Harlow. This is going to be a large single story home with a NextGen suite, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, guys, so today we are here at the grand opening of Braydon. Now, Braydon is the newest Lennar community, okay? Now, we're here on the northwest side of Las Vegas. So we're here in Centennial, right off the 215 in Hualapai. So we're about 16 miles away from the Las Vegas airport. So it takes about 30 minutes to get there. Now, this community, beautiful single story community. They offer 3 floor plans, 2 with a NextGen suite. Awesome floor plans, guys. They only have 23 homes here, okay? But I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer 3 different floor plans. They offer the Avery, Gideon, the Harlow. Now, all base prices all ranging from $599, $990, all the way to $669, $990. Guys, the Avery is going to be the smallest floor plan with 2126 square feet, no NextGen suites, but the other 2, the Gideon and Harlow, both have NextGen suites, guys, okay? Now, the way Lennar works is they build like quick move-in homes, okay? So they already, as you can see, this is the neighborhood. They already started production on most of these homes. By the time they release them, they're about like 2 to 3 months away from completion. Now, guys, when you look at the base price, okay, there's only a couple of things that are not included in the base price. So it's going to be like when we look at the model houses, it's going to be like the flooring, the countertop, and the cabinets, and the backsplash. Those are not included, okay? So whenever you look at the base price, I would add about $30,000 to $40,000 on top of that, and that's going to be your out the door price, okay? But yeah, a little bit about the area actually. As you can see over here, we have this nice little like a shopping complex center, okay? So you got Albertsons, a lot of close stores here. You do have many things around. You do have a couple of hospitals close by. Centennial Hills Hospital is pretty close. But yeah, HOA, guys, HOA is gonna be $116 a month, okay? Not gated. There's no sit-in lids, which is a really great thing. Yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. All right, so this is the Harlow floor plan, 2,535 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, and has a NextGen suite. Okay, so let's take a look. So as we approach like the front door, this is going to be the door to their NextGen suite. That's going to be the door for their main house. Okay. The price is $669, $990. Okay. So remember, the only thing that's not included in the $669, $990 is going to be like the flooring upgrade, the cabinet upgrade, the backsplash upgrade if you choose to. Now this is the door to the NextGen suite. Okay, it won't be see-through like this, but it'll just be a standard door. So here you have your living room. You're gonna have your mini kitchen, okay? And then entry door. Now again, guys, what a NextGen suite is, it's a separate living area inside the house. So when I say separate living area, it's gonna have its own entry door, normally the door to your garage, small kitchen, living room. You'll have your bedroom, your own laundry room. Now, the only thing that I feel like it's missing is just its own like stovetop oven. Yeah, an oven, because otherwise, I mean, someone could completely just like live in here and not have to go to the, you know, like the main home area, okay? But yeah, NextGen suites are great for if your in-laws live with you, if you have your grandparents, or if you have guests staying with you, or if you plan on renting it out. This would be a great like rental. Okay. This would be a great, we call it house hacking, right? So moving into the house and renting out the NextGen suite. Okay, so this is the shower for the NextGen suite. So we got the walk-in shower. Okay, everything that you see here is included. Again, the flooring is upgraded. But yeah, this is going to be the bedroom area, and then you'll have your laundry room. The stacked washer and dryer is included. But yeah, this is the bedroom. They just made this into like a little cool living room area. Okay. So we do have 9-foot ceilings. Also, you have this nice long hallway right here. Okay, it's also wide too. Now your primary bedroom is going to be down there, and then you have your living room, kitchen, so your whole living space. Your guest bedrooms are going to be right over here. Okay, so you're gonna have your coat closet, right? You'll have your washer and dryer. Now, washer and dryer is not included. Those are the only appliances that are not included. Okay, refrigerator is included. You'll have your smart panel box right here. This is where you set up your internet router and your modem. This is going to be your garage. So the garage does come finished. Okay, so you'll have your tank water heater, and then you also have your where's the water softener loop. Okay. High ceilings for this garage. You get 9-foot ceilings. Okay, you got the flat corner edging here. This is guest bedroom number 1. This is about 11 by 11. Okay. Cute little setup. Okay, so this is your closet, and this is nice. You do have like the nice modern like 5-panel door. Okay, so this is included. This hardware is included. All right. It's the other guest bedroom. So this is going to be your full bath. Again, this is the material. Okay. Shower tub. Okay, fiberglass. All right. Wow. Check out this main living area. Very open. Okay. So I believe this is the included quartz countertop. Okay, so very spacious. If you want backsplash, you could, it just depends like what process you are when you get into contract. Because if you're about 60 days away, you can't really pick any options. But if you're more than 60 days out, you could probably add like backsplash. You may be able to change some things around. Okay, but as far as like the lighting and everything, like what you see is what you get as far as like the lights. Okay, like anything structural, the windows, a sliding door, a slider. Okay. Refrigerator is included, which is nice. So it looks like you'll have this GE refrigerator. Yeah, so it's very spacious in here. So this dining room, this is going to be about a 12 by 16. The living room area is going to be about 13 by 16. Okay. This is going to be your backyard as well. right? Remember, when you move into your house, it'll be like just a dirt lot. You'll have, typically HOA gives you about a year to do your backyard. Okay, and we'll check out the primary bedroom. Okay, large king size bedroom. So yeah, the owner suite, this is going to be 13 by 16. All right, guys, now if you are interested in a home like this, or you're just interested in a new build community, do me a favor, guys, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to represent you and go with you on your very first visit. Now, if you're working with a realtor, that's fine too, okay? Let them know and make sure they go with you on your very first visit. You definitely want representation. If you go to one of these new build communities by yourself, well, what's going to happen is as soon as they get your information, they're going to register you, and the builder agents look after the builder's best interest while we look after yours, and the builders actually pay the realtor fee. So it's definitely win-win. But yeah, get with me if you're interested, and we go over the incentives. I'll make sure you guys get the best possible deal on one of these homes. Cool. This is a pretty spacious walk-in closet. Okay. So you got your linen closet, toilet room, so dual sinks. Now, this is standard. You won't be able to change anything about the bathroom structurally. This is how it comes. Okay, so it's included. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think of the Harlow floor plan. But until then, I will catch you guys next video.